Hey, it's here.
The day when we can finally welcome you all to the IKEA Worli City Store.
I'm sure there are some of you who have been waiting for days or even months for this. Well, these doors are open for you now.
We can't wait for you all to have your first IKEA City Store experience.
With this store opening, we can proudly say that your favorite home furnishing destination is closer to you with range of affordable, inspiring
And beautiful.
Oh yes, beautiful for sure, and sustainable products.
This day and this store didn't come along so easy. It took a lot of faith, patience and hard work.
Maybe they should see it for themselves.
Here's a quick look at the Worli City Store journey for you. Now that you've got a glimpse of the store,
Are you ready to meet the team who have made it all happen? Come on then.
We have tried to understand your needs and living situations. Based on what many of you told us, we have a wide range of solutions for your entire home. Find inspiration for a beautiful living room that lets you come together with your family and is also functional for your many needs. We are ready.
We believe in the power of good night's sleep for a relaxed morning. From beds to comfortable mattresses, pillows, lighting, we bring you solutions that let you rest the best. And we know there always need for extra storage. You will find options to choose from to store more and organize better. A lot of our customers love our flexible space solutions. We are ready.
If you're hungry for a new kitchen, we have cooked up an exciting range to suit all your needs. Kitchen planning is easy with us. Make small changes or get a complete new one. You decide. We can design, plan and install it for you in your budget the way you want. We are ready.
We have over 2,000 home furnishing accessories to make your home truly reflect who you are. Refresh your home with quick changes or decorate it for the season or your mood. We are ready.
We are the customer relations team and we look forward to welcoming you to our beautiful new store. We are ready.
Explore our range of Swedish dishes to satisfy your cravings. Whether you're here to explore a home furnishing solution or just want to enjoy a quick bite to eat, we are ready.
We ensure a safe shopping experience for you with frequent sanitization routines, and by following all safety protocols, you will meet more of us in the store. We do our part and will request you to wear your face mask and always maintain social distancing and hand hygiene to be safe. Remember, we are stronger together. We are ready.
Yes, we are ready.
Are you ready to join us for store opening ceremony?
We can't wait to meet you all. Let's join the opening ceremony.
Worli meets IKEA.
IKEA meets Worli.
Kasaikai Mumbai, welcome. Welcome to the grand opening of IKEA Worli store.
A big thank you for joining us today in this opening ceremony. Finally, IKEA Worli is opening and the D-Day is here and it's happening right now, like right now. And the energy... So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's get in.
I speak on everyone's behalf when I say it's only going to be so much more exciting as the people of Mumbai start pouring in.
As you all know, this is IKEA's first city store of its kind in India. Our vision with the city store is to make IKEA experience more accessible to the many people of Mumbai, right where they live, work, commute, meet. Maximum convenience with the maximum city. Am I right?
Yes, Worli, this one is a special store.
Why?
Well, for starters, we got over 6,000 products for your home. Good quality, affordable and sustainable. The iconic IKEA room sets too, so you can go back home with a bag full of inspiration. And all of this right in the heart of your amazing city. Quite special, isn't it?
Absolutely. The store has got one promise, and that is to help every Mumbaiker. Did I say that right? Every Mumbaiker makes the most of every space in their homes.
Well, I can go on and on, but I'm going to stop. Thank you for joining us for our store launch.
We really can't wait to meet you all.
See you soon. Take care, stay safe, and enjoy a sneak peek of our store.
See you soon.
Hey Mumbai, welcome to IKEA Worli City Store, the first of its kind in India, conveniently located at Worli.
We have curated many room sets and a wide variety of home furnishing accessories tailored to the unique lifestyles of Mumbaikars. So, get inspired to live a better everyday life at home.
Now it's time to explore. Grab a yellow bag or a yellow trolley and let's go.
IKEA Worli City Store has multiple levels offering inspiring ideas for your bedroom, living room, children's spaces, textiles, kitchen, lighting, workspaces, home organization and decoration.
At IKEA, we believe in home furnishing solutions that are well-designed, sustainable and affordable.
So once you spotted something you like, check its price tag for all the details like price, material and more. If an item has a white tag, you can add it to your shopping bag right here. If the tag is red, then you can pick the item from the respective place mentioned on the tag.
For large home furnishing like beds, bookcases, sofas which have a yellow tag, you can reach out to an IKEA co-worker for home delivery assistance.
But that's not all. You can join the IKEA Family Club for free and enjoy guaranteed discounts and many more benefits.
When you have made all of your selection, you can choose how you want to check out. We have self-pay and assisted checkout options. For booking our large items, you can reach out to a co-worker in one of our many digital ordering desks. Or you can use the IKEA app to select from a wide range of home furnishing solutions on the go. We understand that every home is unique, with different activities, needs, and lifestyles. We are here to help you create a home solution that reflects your style.
So book an appointment with our IKEA home furnishing consultant to plan your kitchen, wardrobe, bedroom, living room, and every other area of your home. We offer support from planning and measuring all the way to home delivery and installation. Before heading home with your bags and hearts full, take some time out to fill your stomach too. The IKEA restaurant is just the place for you.
Pop in for a quick snack or stay for a delicious meal. The whole family is welcome. Yum! So, with a fully vaccinated team and all safety measures in place, we're excited to have you at the IKEA Worli City Store. Happy shopping!
See you soon!